Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and a reference frame so you can judge color decisions. Once done, drag the main clip to the base timeline and trim to the section you'll correct. Make sure to add either a neutral gray card image or create an overlay adjustment layer above the clip. This helps you toggle the correction on and off quickly. This is the foundation. Accurate reference and clean clips let you see real changes instead of masking issues. Now apply Kinemaster's color tools to the clip and start with white balance. Shift temperature and tint until skin tones look natural. Next, correct exposure and contrast to recover highlights and shadows. You'll see why balancing these first preserves color detail. Then refine using HSL sliders to fix specific color casts. Lower a saturated channel, lift luminance to reveal detail. If you use a LUT, dial its strength with opacity or blend modes, so the image remains natural and consistent. Finish by comparing the corrected clip to your reference and toggling the correction layer to check for overcorrection. Once satisfied, export a short test at your final settings and review it on the device where most viewers will watch. If colors shift after export, make incremental adjustments and re-export. And if you encounter banding or posterization, reduce extreme saturation or export at a higher bitrate and color depth. This process ensures the final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.